Hey, it's Brian from Alltest, and you're standing in front of a newly finished project. This is for our partners at ATX, and it is a 12 by 12 by 9 walk-in chamber. It's capable of minus 50 to about 110 C, and as you see, it has one of these very fancy, very capable Thermotron 8800 controllers. So Alltest has quoted and estimated the job. We have refurbished the machine pack. We have provided a custom box, and not only that, it's finishing up testing. So I'm going to run it for you. Alltest did all of the custom metal work. Inside is a custom built air delivery system and plenum. All of the metal here is shaped in-house and painted OEM Thermotron colors. Over here is our rebuilt machine pack with two 6-horsepower compressors. Over here is a creative solution. So our chamber and our remote condensing unit are wired in Canadian line voltage, that's 575 volt. And what you're seeing here is a transformer because the customer is in America and they have 208 line voltage. So we came up with a creative solution with the ATX team, which is to provide a 575 to 208 transformer. If you need a test chamber for your lab, Alltest Instruments can provide not only creative solutions, but time-effective and budget-friendly solutions. So please reach out via text, email, or on the website. We're standing by and happy to serve.